Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. We have already learned about money, time and geometrical shapes. Let's revise the main points of these chapters. You are familiar with different kinds of shapes such as circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, diamond. These shapes are also called plane figures. These shapes can be drawn on a plain sheet of paper. Plain paper figures are the flat figures. They are also called 2D shapes. Now let's revise the plane figures. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 vertices, 4 sides. The opposite sides of a rectangles are equal. The example of rectangles are plane sheet, door, etc. This is a square. A square has 4 vertices, 4 sides. All the sides are equal in square. The example of squares are carom board, clock, chessboard, etc. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. The example of triangles are flag, pizza, etc. This is a circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. Now let's learn about the solid shapes. These are all the solid shapes. Solid shapes are three-dimensional objects. They have length, breadth and height. These are cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone. Let us learn these solid shapes one by one. This is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. The example of cube are dice, ice cube, sugar cube and chalk box. This is a cuboid. A cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. The example of cuboid are book, brick, suitcase, eraser, box, etc. This is a cone. A cone has one vertex, one edge and 2 faces, one curved face and one flat face. This is a cylinder. It has no corner. It has 2 edges and 3 faces. Few objects that have the shape of a cylinder are candle, battery cell, Coca-Cola can, gas cylinder, etc. We need money in every sphere of life. We require money is the currency of any country. The standard unit of Indian currency is rupee and it is denoted by this symbol. The smallest unit of Indian currency is paisa and it is denoted by P. Indian money consists of rupees and paise. Money comes in notes and coins. Notes are the paper form of money and coins are the metal form. We can write rupees and paise in words and in figures also. Suppose 20 rupees and 25 paise will be written as, first we will put the symbol of rupees, then 20 dot 25. We put a dot or a point in between rupees and paise. The figure on the left of the point is the number of rupees and the figure on the right of the point is the number of paise. When paise are not mentioned, we write 2 zeros after the dot. When we put a dot, we do not write paise. Now let's learn the value of these coins. 1 rupees coin is equal to 100 paise. 2 50 paise coin is equal to 100 paise or 1 rupees. 4 25 paise is equal to 100 paise or 1 rupees. 5 20 paise is equal to 1 rupees. Now let's revise how to read the time. We all know that a clock tells us the time. The face of the clock is called a dial. A dial of the clock is divided into 12 big divisions marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The gap between every two big divisions is divided into 5 small divisions. The clock has two hands, a longer hand and a shorter hand. The longer hand is called the minute hand. The shorter hand is called the hour hand. The minute hand moves around the clock once in 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In the clocks shown here, the hour hand is the first clock is at 9 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. In the second clock, the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 10 o'clock. Now look at this clock. The hour hand is between 8 and 9. The minute hand is at 6. The minute hand has covered 30 small divisions in moving from 12 to 6. So the minute hand at 6 shows 30 minutes. We say that the time is 8:30 or half past 8. Here in the first clock, the time is 5:30 because the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is at between 5 and 6. So we can say that the time is 5:30 or half past 5. In the second clock, the hour hand is between 10 and 11 and the minute hand is at 6. We say that the time is 10:30 or half past 10. There are 7 days in a week. The name of the days of a week in order are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday is the first day of a week. After each Monday, Tuesday comes. After each Tuesday, Wednesday comes and so on. Sunday is the last day of the week. Then the next week starts with Monday again. This sequence goes on. Now let's learn about the months of a year. There are 12 months in a year. The name of the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 7 months in a year which have 31 days each. There are 4 months in a year which have 30 days each. February has 28 days in a month, but it has 29 days in a leap year. A leap year comes after 4 years. There are 365 days in a normal year and 366 days in a leap year, as February has 29 days in a leap year. Now let's learn about the seasons. The year is divided into 6 seasons. The first season is Shishir. Shishir starts in the month of January and ends in the month of February. It is colder winter season. We like to wear woolen clothes in this season. The next season is Vasant. Vasant is the spring season. New flowers blooms and new leaves grow on trees. The weather is pleasant. The next is Grishma season. It is the summer season. It is very hot and we wear light colored cotton clothes. We like to stay indoors with fan, coolers or AC switched on. We enjoy having cold drinks, ice cream, etc. The next is Varsha season. Varsha is the rainy season. It starts in the month of July and ends in August. We use umbrella or raincoats when we go outside. The next is Sharad season. Sharad is the autumn season. Most of the trees shed their leaves during this season. It is neither too hot nor too cold. The weather is pleasant. The next is Hemant season. It is a winter season. It is very cold. We wear woolen clothes, use blankets at night, and like to have hot drinks like tea or coffee. We bathe in hot water. So, in this video, we have revised money, time and geometrical shapes. Hope you have understand the concept of all these. Thank you.